Hello, I'm going to present to you how to create a footnote in Microsoft Word. I'm going to use Word 2010. It's the same procedure in Word 2016 and Word 2019. Okay, let's consider the document at hand. At first, we specify where we're going to put the footnote label. For instance, let's specify here. Then we'll go to References and we choose Insert Footnote. When we press Insert Footnote, we're gonna see here it's gonna insert a label, labeled 1 here, where we can put, for instance, something like this. Then, if we have another place, we're gonna want to put another footnote, same procedure. For instance, here, insert footnote, and okay, note that we can hover the mouse over this label. It's gonna give us what it is, the content. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos are coming soon.